Hey everyone, welcome back to Fashion Frame and also to the second episode of our complete smocking tutorial series. Here you're not only learning the art of smocking but also mastering in the perfect and professional Clo3D software. In today's session, I'll guide you step by step through mastering in this stunning technique in the way that blends creativity and also technology seamlessly. Let's dive right in and transform your skills into some way extraordinary. But before it, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe and like button below. It really helps the channel grow. This is my garment and I'm going to work on the sides of this white leg pants right here. First of all, I will use internal polygon tool to draw a line in the middle of this piece. Right here, we can hold shift to create a straight line here. Now we can use edit pattern tool and right click on the line. Use offset as internal line. 35 millimeter is okay for the distance and we need 3 copies of it. We should right click on the line again and this time mark this box reverse direction, but this time we need 4 copies of it. Now we should use internal polygon again to create some horizontal lines too. Use edit pattern tool again, right click on this one and offset as internal line. We need to unmark this box and we need 27 copies of it. So we can press OK and these tiny squares will appear here. When we're done with these internal lines, we need some base lines too. So we can use base polygon to create a baseline right here in the middle of this row. Hold shift key to create a straight line. We need some horizontal baselines too. In the middle of horizontal rows. So do the same for all areas as you see here. Now I have the base map, so I can use tag tool to create the smocking. We need to attach a vertical tag right here. And also a horizontal tag here. We should go through this row alternating opposite the other one. So I need this one to be vertical. I'm done with this row and I changed the color of the garment so you can see the tags better. We need to create some tags in the opposite order of the other row. So we attach a horizontal tag here. Attention that we should jump over a square here and create another tag. As you can see, there is a distance between them that is fixed On this row, we should attach some tags on the opposite side of the middle row. So we should create a vertical tag here and also a horizontal tag here. Please continue to the end of the row. We're done with this piece and we should do the same on the other piece too. If we want a symmetrical garment. I'm done, but I prefer to use edit tag and remove some tags from here because I think it looks much more better this way. I'm done, and we should select all patterns. And decrease the particle distance from property editor to 5. Now we can simulate. As you can see, when the simulation is on, it will pump up. We should prevent it, so we can go through Objects Browser, select the fabric, and as it's selected, go down to the Property Editor to the Detail part. As I explained completely on the other tutorial that you can check the link up here, we should go down to the friction part and increase it to 90. Simulate again, and now we can go to the render window to see the result. This is the result. Hope you enjoyed, guys, and don't forget to support us. Thanks for watching.